Onpassive is the new frontier. We boldly go where no other company has gone before. Arthur Gully, The Godfather. Do you think it's time for a change yet? If you think it's time for a change in your life. If you think it's time to earn more income to increase your bottom line. If you think it's time to move from a job to a business of your own. Then it's time to join a revolutionary information technology company that will allow you to succeed with no limitations. 1. There are no pass-ups. 2. There is no qualifying. 3. There are no upsells. 4. There is no recruiting. 5. There is no selling. 6. There is nothing to do except being in it and let the company do the rest. Time is running out. Remember that time waits on no one. So what are you waiting for? Become a founder now before it's too late. We are closing this position soon and it will never be offered again. If you are ready, then get back to the person that sent you this video. A Bill Must production.